Chapter 5. The best way to start a new habit. Two of the most powerful habit cues are time and location. If you want to start a new habit, James Clear recommends a method called implementation intention. It's a simple formula. I will, habit, at, time, in, location. For example, I will work out at 6 p.m. in my backyard. By locking in a specific time and place, you remove uncertainty. And when uncertainty disappears, excuses disappear too. Another powerful tool is habit stacking. This is when you attach a new habit to something you already do. The formula is, after I, current habit, I will, new habit. For example, after I brush my teeth, I will floss. After I eat breakfast, I will drink a glass of water. By pairing your new habit with an existing one, it becomes anchored to a routine you already follow. And when that happens, sticking to it becomes far easier.